Lintat.
Feel the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, living with nature for a better future. Let us now witness Davao Crocodile Park proudly present our very own Davao Anel Sakina Ian.
Ayun, what a great performance by Tribo kami Dinawan Performing Arts. At syempre, kasama na din doon ang ating mga cute na cute, mga animal ambassadors na folks. Give it up for Tribo kami Dinawan Performing Arts. Palagpakan po natin sila guys. At folks, pari mamaya at exactly 5:30 p.m. Ayan, may car dance pa po sila sa Tribo kami Danawan, Bantawan area po. Now folks, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating show, guys, I need your energy. Ngayong hapon, okay, when I say hep hep, you say hooray. Okay, hep hep! One more hep hep! More energy, hep hep! Ayun, mabuhay! Malaya po! And welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My Miss Kuya Boy and I'm your host for this afternoon po. Now, some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, DLT, and BAI. Now, as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this rock Olympic afternoon. Brought you the show where you'll meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So, unas naman na tayo po. Upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture their animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry. Kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, to those who take photos or videos of animals, folks, bawal po ang camera. Charot lang guys, very bawal ang camera. However, just turn off the box of flash. Okay? Because the animals here are light sensitive, so double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay? Now, the reason why we call them animal ambassadors because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message. And that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Pero wait, kasi naman may bubbles dyan. Guys, pakikipog na yung bubbles. Baka ma-distract po yung mga animals po natin, ha? Okay, wait lang natin folks, sa mga kuya. Pagpababalikin pa lang muna natin si JJ. Now, JJ, come here, boy! Alright, wait lang folks. Saglit lang talaga, no, JJ? No! Alright, wait lang muna natin ang saglit folks. Okay, eto na. There you go. Wait lang. JJ! Alright, tayo muna natin ang saglit folks. Ay now, bago tayo mag-usisina sa inyo dito Tagaluzon, anybody from Visayas, come on! May Tagaluzon? May Tagaluzon ba? That's kamay! Okay, how about mga taga-Visayas? That's kamay mga taga-Visayas! Ayun, meron din ha. How about mga taga-Mindanao? Taas kamay mga taga-Mindanao! Alos lahat ha, mga taga-Mindanao. But anyway guys, again, thank you so much for choosing Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Palakpakan naman po. Okay, wait na. Kung hindi pa prepare natin si JJ, mga kuyas. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay na. Mukhang ready na sila sa likod, folks. Now the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes, mukhang dito lang natin may energy dito sa mindset ko. Walang energy. Asan yung energy nyo kanina, folks? Okay, one more, but more energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Gusto yung energy sa inyo guys. Alright now, folks. Let's meet our 4 raptors. Una, will giving you his welcoming flight. Now may I call on Dominic, our Brahminican. Wait lang. Hindi bago ba? Okay na, 2 minutes. Yung Michael mo. Ayan o. Just stay lang mga kaibigan. Okay? Ano ba yun? Stay lang po kayo dyan. Okay na boy, kami na Dominic. Okay folks, ang mga rappers kasi natin guys, medyo may pagkamalihangin no? So titihin lang natin folks. Wait lang natin ang saglit talaga guys. Ayun na lang. No, once again guys, that is Dominic, no, our Brahminicite, or also known as the Balu. Now folks, Brahminikites are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Michael natin dito kanina is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful fangs. Kali, our eastern grass owl. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan ulit si Kuya Michael. Arnaw Gani boy! Hindi ba ang sila puso? Sabi ito, ang tao ng hapon na. Arnaw Gani! Ayan na. Wake up natin dyan guys. Okay. Ayan, muna na nag-ready pa. Mukhang tinayos kayo kanina Kuya Mikey. Okay, ayan na. Pagpwesto na Kuya M. Ayan na Kuya M. There you go. Now, sila folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. Now guys, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals, kaya naman their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when in flight. Di mo natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Palapagan po natin si Kali folks. Okay, eto na. Inimit na naman. Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayan na siya folks. There you go. Once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliatus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and here in the Philippines. White-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalahapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na. Silakas po. Palakpakan po natin. Silakas guys. Alright now guys, so our last raptor. Atin ang tatawagin, si Pagaspas. Our Philippine serpent eagle. At ayan na siya folks. Now guys, we will show you how they hunt po. Now, Kuya Dexter, dito is merong toy lizard. Alright, now again. Kung makikita mo paano yan, ni Pagaspas guys. Alright, Pagaspas boy, ayan na yung toy lizard mo. Okay, wait lang. Masipag Kuya Dex. Alright. Okay, now mga Pagaspas. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko din kasi si Pagaspas folks, mahihain din po. So medyo shy time din. Ayan na Kuya Dex, kung nakatitig na. Ayan na. Yan! There you go. Now guys, once they're in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target. Talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now guys, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. I am reviewing muna sa kay Pagaspas. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos po, pwede po guys. Basta folks, off lang po natin yung mga flash natin. Alright? Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating eastern grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre ang ating mga Bowman winners. Yeah, very good. Once again, guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Jimar. Na Kuya Jimar? Alright, reviewing mo lang kay Barak. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasintalino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata, just like most other parrots, guys. Si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Ting-ting-ting! Kadang-kadang! Alright, aboy! Suot! And march! Ang aming zygodactyl feet in action po! To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. So marching it, boy. Left, right, and baba. Good boy. Parang okay, dahil daw dyan, boy. May pa-high five na tayo na Kuya Gmar. No, high five na Kuya Gmar na, Ben. Sabi na Kuya Gmar. And very good, syempre, folks. Napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barang, guys. Tingnan niyo, folks, ha? Alright, now, Barang. Kiss to Kuya Gmar, the best kiss. Oh, kiss to Kuya Gmar sa biscuit, kiss. Wow! Siyempre, mukhang nabilit pa raw si Barak, Kuya Gmar. Okay, ito na. Okay, now, now, Barak. Ito daw, ito yung gusto ni Kuya Gmar mo, boy, ha? Now, Barak, kiss ulit ko Kuya Gmar. Pero, boy, hindi na sa cheeks, ha? Saan gusto nyo, folks? Ha? Saan gusto? Kuya Gmar, rinig mo yun si Kuya. Oh, okay, ito daw. Sige, sige. Okay, now, Barak. Kiss ulit kay Kuya Gmar, pero sa lips na, kiss. Siyempre po, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host. Kiss din ako Kuya Gmar sa lips. Hindi, joke lang guys. Ito pong sa hindi lang yan. Si Barak ay isang eco-warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ang kanilang mga basura? Ano ang customer? Nagsesegregate. Okay, sino sa inyo dito nagsesegregate? Okay, we have mom. How about the others? Ayun, sila ate, sila kuya. Ano yung iba, hindi ka nagsesegregate? Ito po ngayong habang tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate ang kanyang basura. So ano nandyan Kuya Gmar? Alright, ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable binner na bubulong po. And also we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi na bubulong po at mukhang ready na si Barak, Kuya Gmar. Mukhang na-check na niya. Okay na Kuya Gmar, the count of 3 na po basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, now guys, ano muna kukunin ni Barak a piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy! Palang kukunin ni Barak at this time a piece of leaf dahon which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. Nagulong pang basura, boy. It's another piece of leaf naman. Dahon, saan nga binalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. And one piece of trash, boy. Plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin, folks. Sana ay tularan natin si Barak, guys. Okay? Alright na, folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya. Okay, mga mamans, mga ates, mga kuyas, wave bye-bye to Barak po. Wave bye-bye, everybody, wave bye-bye. Alright, minus na wave bye-bye. Ayan na, Barak, bye-bye na sila sa iyo, boy na Barak. Wave bye-bye to everybody na. Oh, bye-bye. O, tayo din mag-bye-bye. Ala. Boy, wave bye-bye, isang bye-bye. Wait na, boy, isang bye-bye na. Oh, bye-bye. Ala. Isang bye-bye lang. Pero sige na, last time, alam ba Kuya Gmar, folks, ibig sabihin yan, guys, who wants to say the show po? Pero again, folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay naman sila, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Gmar. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Hindi, blank po ito. Atin at alam po, nakikita niyo dyan kanina, folks. Natin ang tatawagin, si George. Yeah, there you go. Once again, folks, that is George, our black pop cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayat Kakatubo. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. But folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatira ang isang black pop cockatoo? Now guys, they live in tropical rainforest po. And this day, George will show us how to help her restore his home by showing us how to plant a tree. So magtatanim daw ngayon si George. Guys, so bago gagawin yan, ready na ba? Gagawin na ni George and Kuya Richie? We have 2 sons and syempre, we have 2 branches. Alright now, boy! Ready ka na, no, Kuya Richie? Lapat na natin yung kahoy. Okay, ayan daw. Tapos, sulot. Buhay isa. natin ilalagay ay doon sa MC na Soy. Ayan siya, folks. Okay, slowly but surely. And there you go. Isa na lang. Bigyan mo na ng treats. Alright. Okay, isa na po yan. Ilan muna natin ang saglit, guys. And there you go. Asa lang yun? Alright. Ayan na. Miss Sandy. Yeah. There you go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our mother. So guys, little fact, the Easter Nest is includes at buong branches. Like other families that the Easter Nest is includes at ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing in paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, pili tayo na mag-volunteer ngayong hapon. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? I need adult. O si ma'am? Okay, ikaw daw po ma'am. Ma'am, ito lang, ma'am, magdala ka lang ng paper money, kahit 20 pesos. Don't you worry, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay? Alright. Okay, mag-alala mo, ma. Okay, ayan, okay na. Okay, pwede na po yan. Okay, dito. Guys, palapakan po natin si ma'am, please. Alright, gaya natin. Okay, mga atis. Excuse na, sakit mga atis, ha? Okay, ma'am, dito ka po. Ma'am, just follow lang po sa instruction ni Kuya Jimar, ha? Ayun mga boys, just thumbs up lang pag ready na si ma'am. Alright. Okay na ma'am, are you ready? Okay, ready ka na ba ma'am? Alright, now George, get the paper money. Ayan. Look, kaya kay Kuya Richie. Alright na ma'am, like I said kanina po, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala po ha. Hindi siya yan iiwan. Okay, now. George, sauli na natin yung paper money ni ma'am. Ayan na. And there you go. Alright, now ma'am, thank you so much for participating. You can take back your seat na po. Now guys, before we say goodbye to George, sana po pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan po. So that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin sila si Kuya Richie, si Kuya Jimar of Beauty.
Wow,
And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Beauty, our sulfur-crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatuwa Calireta. And it can be found in Australia and New Guinea. Now guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur-crested cockatoo spread their wings at let their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon guys, ipapakita yan ni Beauty. Alright now girl, show me what you've got girl. Alright now Beauty, spread your wings daw Ben. Alright, one more. Magkakabili pa sila girl. And now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos grouping branches as a form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. Ang Kuya Michael, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y nababagot? Now girl. And there you go. That is the natural behavior po. Dahan-dahan naman. Mawapahina. And there you go. And lastly guys, it's like any other parents, Beauty also has zygodactyl feet po. Just like parang at ipapakita yan ni Beauty ulit guys. Now Beauty, what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Yes, there you go. Once again folks, that is zygodactyl feet in action po. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. And that's all for Beauty guys. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, si Kuya Michael. Ayan. Moving on na tayo sa ating next. By the way guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park, we have 4 species of cactus po. Of the rainforest, the Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here na Lord. At ayun na siya guys. Yan. There you go, syempre guys, hindi dyan magpapahuli. Ang kanyang younger brother na si JJF. There you go, awesome folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanaoanensis, meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, Their views are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Okay now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now guys, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... One more, okay, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Dexter, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw ng folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto ang kakatch ng lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga folks. Subuti pa sa ating mga kalaw ay forever, no? Kung sa mga single ladies out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, ha? So alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Ha? Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi, sa mga trainers. Joke lang guys, once again folks, magpapakita ang videos ulit ang ating mga kalaw. Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis na to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly, and that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila folks. Now guys, the fact about hornbills, unlike most birds, they are very present tail like a monkey. No, direct your attention to your left side, and that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. Once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat, with the scientific name of Arcticus binturong, locally known as binturong guys. Now folks, did you know that their tail can act as a film, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamayas po. Ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey at ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Teddy. Ito mga sa kanila boy. Ayun na siya folks. Mana pa na pa isa. Tayo na guys. And there you go. That is 3 heads of tail in action po. And we got to want to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy folks. Alright now guys, direct your attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Once again folks, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Those Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Again, meaning ng endemic po, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita, particularly sa Palawan. Guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up using his two hind legs. At guys, papakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. At kung basic lang yan sa kanya guys. Alright now, Uno, ready ka na po kayo boy. And there you go, that is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much Uno. Folks, fan mo about Palawan Bearcat? Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. This poop, ganyan po, mabuhay na kanilang poop guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And they are only good sa kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya M, alam, binigay mo kayo ngayon lang, pakita mo nga sa kanila, Kuya. Ano yun, guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivore sila, ha? May tanong ulit ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, how about meat or carne? Carnivore. Sa what herbs, grasa sa karne? Omnivores. Galing ha. Ito na ba, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Ha? Grabe na yung mahila kuya. Kami kuya nakahilaw kami. Let's have the audience. Okay, dito tayo. Anong sabi ko kanina kuya? Lapit kami kuya. Ito, the correct answer is... Alright, now kuya, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Frugivore! Frugivore!
Ayun, palakpakan po natin si kuya. Guys, the correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon? Hindi fudgivore, ha? Okay, frugivore. Frugi meaning fruit, vor or vorus meaning eater po. Okay, once again, frugivore. Alright, now, perfect. Teddy is back home na. Siyempre, uno as Kuya Michael. Asaglit lang daw. Okay, pauwi muna natin si Uno, guys. Again, folks, huwag niyong kakalimutan ha. At exactly 5:30 p.m. Ay, makikita niyo rin sila kanina, guys. Yung Tribo Kamindanao by Fire Dance pa po sila. Okay? For directions, antong dyan. Guys, mawawala talaga ng nyo dyan, folks. At yung tinitilian at kinakikiligan ng ating maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite. Now may I call on Piolo. Palakpakan naman po. Once again, Piolo. Uy, Piolo. Daniel. Ay, familiar guys. Manny.
Para sa'yo ang laban na to.
Kuya.
Para sa'yo.
Kuya Michael.
Drama.
Folks, again, ulit-ulit ko sabihin sa inyo guys. So once again, we are still working with all animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi ng ating mga trainers, folks, wala daw po si Piolo sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. At nandito lang daw po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na po. Kasi kung nangyayari po, magpapalalunan po kami. Guys, kung ano makikita niya, just relax lang po ha, and don't panic, okay? At sa mga kuya,
Ano yan, aha?
naku, mukhang tinuturo ng ating kuya Jay. Ano sa ayan na. Piolo. Guys, ikaw kasi ito lang po. Already kumain na lang po. So ngayon pala, huwag kayo guys. Ay, sana na po yan. Sabi ko, okay. Once again, sa mga bisita na hindi pa po nakapag-experience humahap ng ahas, picture time para hawakan ng ating snake pictures. And guys, pagkatapos sa show, we have our animal campaign, so you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors. Po, picture taking tayo mamaya. Pagkatapos nito guys, sabi ng animal ambassadors. Folks, konting paalala lang, pwede niyo pong hawakan ang ating ahas, huwag lang po ang ating trainers. Let's joke lang guys. Kaya ayan na sila Kuya Jim and Kuya Dexter. Thank you so much Kuya for finding Piolo. Alright now guys, before we go, this afternoon naman po, I need one adult guest na naman. Pero guys, hindi ako yung pipili. Si Kuya, sila Kuya Jim naman. Kuya Jim, sila pipiliin natin Kuya Jim Arn. Kuya Cyril, si ma'am daw na naka-white po, ay may tattoo sa kanya, right? Yes po. Ayan o, yes Kuya Cyril. Yes ma'am, ikaw daw po ma'am. Sige na, we promise you, it's already trained naman po. Okay guys, Support natin si Ma'am. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am. Sige na, Ma'am. Paminsan-minsan lang po. It's your time to shine. Sige na po. Okay, huwag na lang po yan si Ma'am. Huwag na lang natin. Kuya Ber, si Sir na lang daw na naka-blue. Yes, ikaw na lang daw po, Sir. Sige na, Sir. Sige na, Sir. Sabihin mo talaga to, Sir. Don't you worry. Sige na. Kaya na. Naku, ay. Sayang ang opportunity, Sir. Sige, Kuya Jimar. Maraming ba? Si Ma'am daw po na nagaway. Kuya Bear, ayan si Ma'am. Yes, ikaw daw po, Ma'am. Dito po tayo. Sayang yung chance natin, Ma'am. Ala. Mag-picture taking lang naman tayo. We promise you, it's already 3 naman po. Okay. Sige na. Okay, ayan na. Yes, malapakan po natin si Ma'am, guys. Okay, saglit lang po, Ma'am. Alright, dito po tayo, Ma'am. Oh, we promise you, again, it's already to huwag kayong mag-alala po. Okay, dito po tayo. Alright, now guys, before we go, syempre kilalanin muna natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from? Po?
I'm Sarah from Valenzuela City.
Ma'am Sarah from Valenzuela City. Guys, palakpakan po natin po. Okay, Ma'am Sarah, are you ready? Okay, Ma'am Sarah, dito na po banda kay Kuya Jimar po. Saglit lang naman yan, Kuya. Ay, Ma'am Sarah, hawakan mo lang, Ma'am. Ayan lang naman po yung gagawin natin. Okay, di ba? Let's get close to this is Piolo. Our gentle giants ang ating Burmese python. We decide to pick them out. Python pipitatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weighing about nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ito ng mountain. Now, Ma'am Sarah, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon dito sa park? Family, asan sino family? Taas kamay. Sino kasama ni Ma'am? Hello, family, mabuhay pa yung family. Now, family, take a lot of beautiful photos for her. Please, pang-ID daw ni Ma'am Sarah sa Facebook, pang-Instagram, Ma'am Sarah. Uy, relax ka. Huwag kang manikas dyan, Ma'am. Okay, ayun na. Don't worry, Ma'am. Non-venomous naman po ang ating ahas. So, hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor. Meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo at tamang-tama. Gutom si Piolo ngayong hapon. Joke lang po, Ma'am. Okay, Kuya Jimar, what's the plan? Okay, wait lang pala folks, sa pan-checking ka time guys. Ay mga trainers po natin folks, hindi pa nakapag-merienda. So kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes. At ikaw, Ma'am Sarah, hanapin nyo kami doon sa office mo, ha? Doon lang po yung office namin. Mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes lang po, ha? Now folks, babalik na po kami in 15 minutes lang. Kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Okay na, family! Kaya ka lang siguro para kay Ma'am Sarah. Good job, Ma'am. Biniro ka lang namin. Hindi ko. Okay, now, let's say pag-nursing na po, Ma'am Sarah. Palapakan mo natin si Ma'am Sarah. Guys, ang brave ni Ma'am, oh. Ayan. Now guys, and that's all for our show ngayong hapon. Now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. And that is to protect, to preserve, and to educate people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos or animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yours, please. Guys, kung kinala ko yung sinabi mga ponging trainers once again, Kuya Jimar with the sleeve, Kuya Richie Blake the spot, Kuya Dexter with the cockroach, syempre, ang ating makulitang mascot na si Big Boy Crocodile David Ponging Tour Guide na si Kuya Janelle with the Timbags at si Kuya Siren. And once again folks, my name is Kuya Boy, and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay yung pareho! Dagdahan kaayong salamat sa inyong kanan. At syempre guys, masasalamatan din natin ang ating poging DJ na si Kuya Kenji. Alright now guys, again sa ating mga bisita na gustong magpa-picture sa ating mga animal ambassadors at syempre sa ating mascot, just promise to rin tayo lang po sa kanila. Okay, be gentle po sa ating mga hayop. Sa ating mga bisita gusto mabigyan ng tip, dyan po yung tip-box natin right at the center. And guys, yung mga plastics po natin dyan, pick up your trash, clear your surroundings, and throw it to the proper bin. Dagan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Ay, ayan ako, again, sa ating mga bisita na gusto magpa-picture kay Big Boy Rocky. Ayan na siya, guys. Sumayaw na. Pinapitan ng pool natin. Si Big Boy Rocky. Folks.
Meeting kami sa bata, ma'am.
Again, sa ating mga bisita na gusto magpa-picture sa ating snake, nandito po si Kuya Jima. Tapos naman kayo sa kahas. Nandiyan po yung mga birds natin with Kuya Dexter, Kuya Smiley, and Kuya Richie. At syempre nga, ating ang makulit na mascot na si Big Boy Rocky.